Hello everyone, welcome to yet another live trading session. As you can see, the time is 11:55 and today's date is 3rd of July. So today we'll be trading with Axis Bank stock, and if you look at very closely, you'll understand that Axis Bank have been trading in a range for some while. So you can make money by trading in a lot of ways. You can do range trading, channel trading and breakout trading, and the safest way to make money in stock market is by doing range based trading. I'll draw you the area where it is in a range. So range trading is the safest way to make money in stock market, but there's a big but. We have to understand one of its peculiar feature. The one peculiar feature of range based trading is stop loss hunting. I think most of the people have heard about it. For the beginners, I want to draw your attention very close to the chart. And if you look closely, and you will understand over here, here, and here, these are called stop loss hunting. They take their stop loss and it moves down. They take stop loss from the downside and move upwards. So we should put our stop loss in a place where it won't come and hunt our stop loss. So we should be very careful about that. Now we have to find an entry point. We have to find the entry point and we have to set a target level. Let me change the color to a signature entry point color. Yes. So our entry point will be somewhere over. Should be somewhere over. Give me a minute. Let me look. I change that. It should be somewhere over here. This will be our entry point, and we have to set our target levels. And you have to understand there are ways to set targets in range-based trading. And if you want to know how do we put this target and levels and stop loss, there is a link of Telegram channel in the description. Go follow it. We'll teach you gradually, and of course everything is for free. Yes, look at it, and this will be our target 3. And we have to anticipate one in this. I believe this trade wouldn't be as smooth as our previous trades because there are chances of our stop loss being 100. So we'll put stop loss. Let's see, and we'll put a stop loss in a good position where we won't get 100. So I think a bit up from the last stop loss 100 will be a good point. I think that will be, yes, I think a bit above over there, a very few distance from the last stop loss hunting. That will be a stop loss. That will be a stop loss. And also one thing, why do I put my stop loss there? I always say to everyone, stop loss is the place where you have to put when a stock moves and hit your stop loss. It should invalidate your analysis, and this is the place which will invalidate our analysis. And also it is the position of the previous, a bit above the previous stop loss hunting. So that's a safe place. And like I told you, this is not going to be a smooth trade. There might be some time it might come close to our stop loss. We have to wait and see what will happen. And why do I think it will go down? Because it will come up and it will take some of the stop loss and go down fastly. And let's see, if it doesn't go down fastly, then we have to see further what will happen to it. We have to make adjustment according to it. So let me label it so things would be, let me place it over here, so things would be very easy for you to recognize at the first glance. Would be target, yes. Now stop loss hunting, and like most of the retailers lose money by in stop loss hunting. So if it goes well, you'll understand what does it mean. Now I'll update you further. Hello everyone, welcome back. As you can see, the time is 1:31, and the good news, we have achieved all our target. And like I said, the trade wasn't smooth, but if you look closely, there was stop loss hunting. If you look closely, it took this stop loss and came down. See, it came down, and there also took the stop loss and came down. And unfortunately, our stop loss never got 100, but unfortunately, some retail traders with poor knowledge about the market, they really got 100 and they made loss, but we made profit. So that's why I say in stock market, if the amount of money or the profit you make is directly proportional to the knowledge you have. Another interesting and useful information I want to share with you guys is over here. See, if you look at 12:30 in Axis Bank, if you look closely, this setup look like a perfect opportunity for breakout trading. They call it the triangle pattern. See, they will say, oh, look at this thing. The sellers are fading away. The buyers, they have good strength, and look at the resistance. It's trying to it tested the resistance multiple times. So we just have to wait, draw the triangle pattern and just wait, and we'll make money. Let me make it very clear for you. I'll draw over it. Give me a minute. Yes. It doesn't look good. I'll increase the boldness. I'll change the color to some orange. Yes. See, look at it. It looks perfect for a triangle pattern breakout. That's why I say never memorize it. Never memorize any pattern. Never memorize any pattern. Everything should be made from analysis. If you look at it, they'll say, look at that. You see the resistance is touched multiple times, 1, 2, 3. Now we just have to wait. It will reach at that point and we'll wait, and it will go up and we'll make profit. Unfortunately, we were not on that side of trade. Fortunately, we were on the correct side of the market. So you might be wondering, how did I manage to know? This is on a range-based trading. There is a link in our description of our Telegram community where I give a detailed analysis. Join it, and of course, you'll benefit from it. And these are the things that premium things that everyone teaches for you for fee, but I'm giving away for free. So all I want you to do in return is to like, comment, subscribe, and also share to beginner traders so that they'll also make some profit. It's very important that retail traders should have this knowledge. And everyone, good luck. I'll see you in the next trading session. Thank you.